Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the outer oven door glass assembly on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws on the bottom, securing the inner and outer door assemblies. With the screws unthreaded, you can slide off the old outer door glass assembly. You're now ready to install the new outer oven door glass assembly. Slide the new assembly into position on the inner panel assembly. Thread and tighten the 3 screws at the bottom. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.